Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to install these infinite arrow dynamic LED rear side markers. Super easy, you don't even need any tools. In the front right here, there's going to be this little push tab. You're going to press it and then push the light outwards and then it'll pop out. So after you do that, go ahead and pull it forward like so. And here's how the assembly looks. All you're gonna do is take this out and you're gonna literally put it right into this one. So twist, pull out the socket, remove your old ones, and you're gonna go get your new ones like so. Plug it in, put the socket, make sure it's tight so no water gets inside, and clip it. There we go. I'm gonna slide this clip from the back first, push it, it'll clip. Make sure your plastic doesn't get stuck, and then clip it back in, and there you go.